Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make Southern cornbread. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients. You'll need yellow cornmeal, buttermilk, eggs, and a leavening agent like baking soda or baking powder. The secret to that authentic crispy crust is a well-seasoned cast iron skillet. Make sure to preheat your skillet with a tablespoon or two of oil or bacon grease in the oven to around 400 to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. This step is crucial for a perfect golden bottom. Now let's mix the batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, cornmeal, a small amount of all-purpose flour for texture, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. In a separate bowl, combine your wet ingredients, buttermilk, and 2 large eggs. Once your dry ingredients are well mixed, pour the wet mixture into the dry. Stir gently until just combined. Overmixing can lead to a tough cornbread, so stop as soon as no dry streaks remain. With your batter ready and your skillet piping hot, carefully remove the skillet from the oven. Pour the batter directly into the hot, greased pan. You should hear a satisfying sizzle. Return the skillet to the oven and bake at 400 to 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes. The cornbread is done when the top is beautifully golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let it cool slightly before serving. Your delicious Southern cornbread is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm with a pat of butter, a drizzle of honey, or alongside classic Southern dishes like chili or collard greens. For a savory twist, consider adding cooked bacon pieces or diced jalapenos to your batter before baking. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days, or refrigerate for up to 5 days. It's perfect for crumbling into a glass of cold milk too.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.